We're at Con Expo in Las Vegas, asking the CVA experts some hard-hitting questions.
Like, is my mustache real?
And how do you get mustard out of a beard?
When somebody says, like, a customer value agreement, a CAT customer value agreement, what are some words that come to mind?
I think about protection. I think about confidence. Essentially, it's a maintenance plan that a customer can purchase.
I've got a lot of machines around my house that need some servicing. My coffee machine, it makes really weak coffee.
So in dealing with getting people to sign up and buy a CVA, what are some of the things that you tell them about why it's important to have a CVA?
Yes, how do you trick them?
How do I trick them?
Just kidding.
You know what? It's so easy. I don't even have to trick them. When a customer buys a CAT piece of equipment, they really do want to buy our parts. And once they're buying their maintenance parts, they might as well be on a CVA. It's really that easy.
Do you have any recommendations for how to get mustard out of beard hair?
Ooh, that's a good question. Maybe there's some power washing we can do for you.
So with how a CVA can protect, CAT customers, how does that work in regards to the financial side from CAT Finances?
Yeah, the advantage with CAT Financial CVAs, you can include them with your machine financing. We also have portability, so you can have your CVA serviced by any dealer across the U.S. And we also have very consistent product no matter which dealer you're working with.
When you say portability, how small of a container could I put a CVA in? Will it fit in a lunchbox?
Probably not quite a lunchbox, maybe a little bigger.
Little bigger, like a bread box. Got it. Your CVA will fit in a bread box. You heard it here first.
Now it's my turn to ask them questions. First question. Mustache, real or fake?
It looks fake to me.
Okay, I'm convinced it's real.
Can you describe what a CAT services commitment is in 6 words or less?
6 words or less. Parts available or they're free.
What about parts when promised or Caterpillar pays?
Ooh, I like that one.
Yeah, no, somebody else wrote it. I've been saying that. All right, well, that's it for us.
We'll see you on the internet.
And if you have any more questions, you can ask your CAT dealer.